Hello, hello, and welcome to another update video on Doge. So the idea is we might have bottomed obviously here on the 10th of October, right? But I mentioned in previous videos how problematic this entire structure is, and the overall larger time frame for Doge also, I have to say, it doesn't look particularly healthy. You guys know that, all right? This does not really look like a healthy structure to the upside. Very, very moderate uptrend. We are printing higher highs and higher lows. This is the first real lower low that formed now. But again, not on all exchanges. Not on all exchanges, which is somehow, a bit problematic, right? Because, which data set essentially do we believe? That's the main question here. So from a bullish point of view, I can see this as wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 potentially. So we could get a 5-wave move up from here. But really then, it's important that we bottomed here. I have added already for you guys a support area to the chart here on the larger time frame, but I've actually refined this a little bit on the smaller time frame to really just look at the structure from the 10th of October low all the way up to the Tuesday high. And then we can measure the Fibonacci levels based on that. And so we're tracking currently if we can get maybe here, let's say 5 waves up in this A wave, for example. On the smaller time frame, I'm tracking a 5-wave move up because this A wave could be 5 waves. So we could reflect that here as well on the daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just important to understand that an A wave can be in 3 waves or 5 waves. It might actually be in 3 eventually, but in the short term that doesn't matter. We need to see if the bulls can defend this support area, and there is additional structural support likely around the previous swing lows from April, where the price bottomed at around 12.8 cents. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame for Doge. And yeah, you can see here this area between 16 cents and 11.6 cents. This is a Fibonacci support zone, and the market is coming down. So we're moving towards this zone, yeah. It's currently a 3-wave move down, but we are not deep enough to really call this all of the wave 2. So we might see this as a broader wave 2 in a potential 5-wave move up that I just showed you. The focus here on the smaller time frame is just really to look for signals that indicate we might have a low, like a micro 5-wave move up, for example, or so. So again, this data set is kind of messed up, but we have the same issue with many other exchanges. Don't even know if I can trust the Coinbase chart, right? It's just so. The move down, again, it looks like a 3-wave move down, so it's likely we might get a B-wave bounce at some point. This leaves us with a resistance area for a possible B-wave, which could be tested, maybe over the weekend, maybe next week, which is here between 19.1 cents and 21.4 cents. B-waves in crypto can be high, though. But yeah, ideally, this is the first zone to watch. And then from there, if we see any sharp decline from there, it might be the C-wave decline of wave 2 and it could lead to a test of this support zone here between 11.6 cents essentially to 16 cents. So I'll keep you updated about that, but for now the pressure appears downward, especially at the moment, as long as the market stays below 21.4 cents. I keep you updated about any changes. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our X channel as well. The link is in the comment section, so there are additional updates and much more. See you over there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.